Sexy welding people from YouTube, how you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. Captain Manny over here in the job site. That's right, doing some civil work. All right, but I just want to make this quick video for you guys. Quick video. It is official. We have a new president. Joe Biden. That's right. And first thing he does is cancel the Keystone pipeline.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Access. That's right. I kind of warned everybody, and I said that before he became president that they don't like fracking. Kamala Harris doesn't like fracking. They said they're gonna stop that, and first thing they do is cancel the Keystone pipeline. That's right. So everybody saw this coming. How bad it's gonna get, I don't know. All my contacts, all my little network that I have is sitting at home, not working. Rig welders, single hand welders. Some are working, but most of them are not working because there's no projects. It's January and it's cold up north. Okay, and every year starts kind of rough, but now it's gonna be even worse with COVID-19.
Vamos, nena, ¿cuál es su nombre? ¿Dónde archivamos su nombre?
A new president that doesn't like fracking or oil, so it's gonna be really tough, especially for new guys and like me that haven't even broken yet as a rig welder. So we'll see, guys. I guess I'm just gonna be doing civil work, like right here. Kind of like to be the boss, general foreman, project manager. I'm everything here. I'm also the laborer.
I wash and dry. I'm like a single mother.
Because I have to do everything. I have to dig all this dirt out. It's a lot of dirt. It was like 50,000 pounds or something like that, all by hand. I got the mamalone and rented a trailer from Home Depot and take all this dirt out. And we're ready to pour concrete. Okay, but yeah, guys, just quick video for you all. I haven't been able to weld yet. We have the mamalone already and everything's ready, but I'm busy over here trying to pour some concrete. That's right. So stay safe out there, guys. And Joe Biden canceled the Keystone pipeline permit already, so that's just one of the first ones to go. Probably more coming, more jobs canceled and all that, but we'll see. I guess it is what it is. Nothing we can do about it. All right, but other than that, guys, just stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. All right, peace.